Rising operational costs have forced prominent scholar transport providers, Benoni Educational Scholar Transport and Benoni Educational Transport Organization, to increase their fees. Following a consultative meeting held today on the 11th of May 2026, the executive confirmed a price adjustment of 50 rand per child per month.
Kuphume isinqumo sokuthi i-transport izokhuphuka nge-50 rand. However, ukuya ngokwethu seeing the way isimo singakhona somnotho, besingafisa ukuthi i-local, like everyone who does local, it can be Davidton, it can be Benoni, there are local charges, ikhuphuke nge-50 rand. And then ama prices maybe long distance, say for instance ukusuke eThwathu kuze eBenoni kuzoba 100 rand, but ngoku-understanda isimo somnotho and ngoku-understanda isimo sabazali, we are willing to settle for that 50 rand. So the outcome is that we are going to increase from the 1st of June nge-50 rand.
This increase, set to take effect from the end of the current month, comes amidst severe pressure on the transport sector. Recent fuel hikes have seen petrol prices rise sharply, forcing operators to adapt to maintain operations.
Indaba ye petrol increase has affected us a lot because le mali esithola ibazalini njengoba ngizoba honest ayikhavi petrol yethu for a month. We end up going sibolekisana ngemali ukuthi sikhona ukhavi petrol. And I understand ukuthi mhlamba abazali they will think ukuthi we are about imali. We are not about imali. We are about ukuthi sisave i-community. And what is worse about petrol nje be increasile, we don't even benefit anything. Si end up kwathina si loser, and now iyaslimaza as an associations. And what is worse again, sinabantu abasebenzayo abangekho kuma associations which they charge imali less. And kuba ngathi thina sifuna imali yethu indaba ibase nje emalini asinandaba nomphakathi, and only to find ukuthi inkinga ikulabantu abahambisa abantwana bangekho ku any association ba-charge imali yabo esingavumelananga ngayo thina ezama associations, which affects thina la eBenoni. And bekunenkinga again kuba yiBetho neBest ekufuneka bami, because udepartment urecognize thina, udepartment ubuza imibuzo ukuthi impendulo ufuna siphume kithi, so kuba inkinga kakhulu. So i-petrol increases affectile kakhulu bazalwane.
While many parents are facing their own financial constraints, operators say this nominal increase is necessary to avoid service disruptions.
Ezenazi ukuthi izinto zikhuphukile bazali, ayikho into engakhuphukanga. We are trying by all means ukuthi singabi selfish, sinicabangele nisicabangele. Our plan is plan ukukhuphuka nge-100 rand because siyastruggle. Unfortunately, we cannot put sibe selfish. We decide ukuthi i-transport ikhuphuke nge-50.
Parents are advised to update their payment plans before month end.
But we appreciate ukuthi ama association are willing to say before we do anything, let's consult the community. It's a reality engeke size sibalekele ukuthi i-petrol ikhuphukile, as we have seen emagroupini ukuthi ama prices akhuphukile kwa wama taxi. It's so sad Putwam, with this situation ukuthi people are not working, abantu bayahereza to put bread on their table. Nabo asibazweleni abantu bama association abatransport abantwana bethu to say we understand ukuthi petrol ikhuphukile, and nokusizwela ukuthi kukhuphulwa nge-50 rand kuphela, akuthiwa laba baye eBenoni basuka eThwathwa, but i-association ivumelene iBest neBetho ukuthi abaginye 50 rand afela, so that we can release stress from them, because really